Hello and welcome to another Frazer computing video tutorial. In this video, we will be discussing several options inside Okta, our system used for multi-factor authentication on hosted Frazer servers. Multi-factor authentication by default will send you an email with a special code included in it that you will need to type into your hosted Frazer server before it lets you log in for added protection. Certain email providers like Yahoo and Hotmail can take too long to deliver emails to your personal inbox, but we have an option to assist with that. First, we're going to need to sign into your Okta account by going to auth.hostedfrazer.com. This will bring you to your Okta account. On the top right, simply click on your username and select the settings option from this list. This will bring you to a window with your personal information listed at the top. If you scroll down to the section labeled Security Methods, here there are two options. One is labeled Okta Verify, and one is Google Authenticator. We will go over both of these in case you want to use either one. First off, we will discuss Google Authenticator. If you have Google Authenticator already installed as an app on your phone and wanted to use that to generate a code, rather than having Okta email you a code every time you signed into hosted Frazer, you can click the Setup button to the right of where it says Google Authenticator. This is going to have you sign in once more to your Okta account. Once that is done, you will be brought to a new screen where we can again press the Setup button underneath Google Authenticator. This is going to bring you to a screen that has a QR code. At this point, we can jump over to your mobile phone where you can open up your Google Authenticator app. On the bottom right of that app, you can select the plus sign icon and select Scan a QR code. After that, it will open your camera where you can scan a code. It will add a spot in the app for auth.hostedfrazer.com. Back in Okta, just hit Next and it will prompt for a code. You can simply look in your Google Authenticator app and type in the current code for that newly added account and hit Verify. This should have that setup completed. Now, back on our settings page in Okta, you also have the option to use Okta's app called Okta Verify to generate a code instead of email or Google Authenticator. This setup is similar here but has a few important differences. To set this up, you can first download the Okta Verify app on your phone. Then, back in Okta, select the Setup button next to Okta Verify, where you will have to sign in again and enter a code from email or Google Authenticator if you have that set up. After that, select Setup underneath Okta Verify, and it will bring you to another QR code to scan. This time, go ahead and open up your Okta Verify app on your phone and press the Add Account button. There are two types of account to choose from here. You can select Other. This will then prompt you to scan that QR code in the app on your phone. Once you do that, it will add that account. The main benefit to using the Okta app over the Google Authenticator or your email is that the Okta Verify app has the ability to send you a push notification on your phone instead of you needing to type in a code. If it asks to enable that when you add the account initially, this just means that when it requests a code, a notification will instead pop up on your phone, and you can select that and confirm that it's you trying to sign in. Then it will let you in without needing to type in a code. Now that we have one of those set up, this will change your login process slightly. When you're going to sign into hosted Frazer, it will bring up the screen where it asks for a code like it normally does. This time, if you hit the drop-down arrow at the top of that screen, You can choose the default method for receiving this. You will see any of the above options that we have enabled on your account. This will use the last option you selected as a default the next time you go to sign in. This has been a look at how to customize your multi-factor authentication setup through Okta. Thank you for choosing